Lovies, I'm coming to you with a review. I'm in my living room doing this review because I'm kind of in a rush, but because today is July 3rd and we are celebrating, well, we're having a 4th of July cookout. I'm preparing for that, and we're celebrating my mom's birthday. So yeah, wanted to come on here real quick to do this Thomason review, Amazon Thomason review for Trustech. Trustech is a store on Amazon.com, and they were nice enough to send me this beautiful 12-inch portable floor fan. It is very, very nice. It does come with a remote control and all. Good stuff. I'm actually getting ready to take this fan and sit it out on my balcony because it is so hot out there, and I'm in and out, you know, on the grill, and whomever else is going to be in and out on the grill. So I'm going to sit this out there and turn it on so your girl can stay cool while I'm in and out the house or whatever. But I'm definitely going to be using this fan like in my, probably most likely in my kids' room, because my kids' room, their room stays a little warmer than our room. So once I use it today, I'm going to take it and put it in up on top of a drawer in their room. So yeah, but a little bit about the company. This fan itself has a 4.7 out of 5 rating on Amazon.com. Like I said, it is a remote table fan. It has 3 speeds, and it also has a automatic shut off timer, so you won't have to worry about, I'm trying to keep myself focused, but you won't have to worry about getting up, you know, in the middle of the night, whether or not it's going to cut off or whatever. You could just set a timer, or it's staying on all night, unless that's what you want. So it does have a 12-hour timer. It is a powerful fan, and if you see me looking down, I got my handy dandy notes, but it is a powerful fan, but yet it is very, very quiet. It retails for $56.99 on Amazon.com. So looking and browsing, I did look through to see what other things they had to offer, and they do sell large portable air conditioners, and I think that ran like $314, which is very reasonable for a large stand-up portable AC unit, just in case you need more air within your home or wherever you live. They also had a 6-inch dehumidifier, which is excellent for the wintertime. I like using humidifiers or cool mist humidifiers during the winter, because it definitely helps, because of you running heat within your home. Sometimes it can cause a nosebleed if the air is too, you know, dry. So cool mist humidifiers are excellent. I did see one of those on there. If you go onto their Amazon page and you click the actual business name, you will see that underneath a list of things, other things that they sell. And they also have another fan, a 6-inch fan that's a little bit more affordable. If you know this may be a little too steep for your pockets, that's $15. So yeah, but this fan here is definitely going to be put to use, most definitely. It came packaged very, very well. It was in this box right here, and it was secured with styrofoam, plastic wrap, all of that good stuff. Shipping was quick as far as that. It also came with a pamphlet to tell you more about this item, and I actually think it comes with think it actually came with a coupon to get, I think it actually comes with a coupon when you purchase that to get the 6-inch fan for free when you review the product. So that is excellent. When you go on there and you review this 12-inch fan, they will actually send you this 6-inch fan. This was the 6-inch fan I was talking about. They will actually send you this for free in exchange for going on Amazon.com and reviewing this product. So that is bomb.com. Like, that is awesome that they're doing that. So if you do purchase this fan, don't forget to go back on Amazon and give your honest opinion about it. Also, all links will be in the description box down below. And right here is just your manual to tell you everything about your fan. And it also comes with a 1-year warranty as well. And right here we have our remote. So yeah, thank you so much, Trustech, Amazon, and Thomason for choosing me to do this review for my lovies. Hope you lovies enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, welcome to the 3L gang. Thank you for joining. Do make sure you subscribe, press that button. It is totally free, and hit the bell so you can stay up to date with when I upload videos. I hope you lovies have a wonderful and safe holiday weekend, and I will see you babes in the next video. Peace.